Doing great.
Now we're on the right
You're
track.
spot on. She's doing a great job there, people. The sailing's good as well. Okay, we're going through the tack. I should be actually doing the sails, but oh, doing good, doing good. I know what you're thinking. I'm a carer and a sharer, people. I was going in the other direction, but she needed a taxi ride.
Yes, what a selfless man I am. If the Pope ever gave out medals, I think I'd be in contention, people. Catalina needed to get to the taxi in 3 days' time, and I volunteered to do it. If someone is in need, then I will bend over backwards to help. Sometimes even bending over forward, or sometimes straight, or in fact, lying down. It all depends, but I digress. So will the beautiful damsel in distress get to a destination on time? Or will some terrible fate befall her?
I'm not filming anymore, people. We're chilling. It's the R-rated version.
All coming up in Sailing into Freedom!
Hey baby, won't you sail with me out on the rolling sea? We'll find some place to go, maybe down to Barbados. It's an island off somewhere in the middle of nowhere, sailing to freedom, you and me.
G'day people, bit of an update. All the gear has finally been moved and is sitting in a container, all padlocked in the new factory, not in the paddock. I thought it was going to go in the paddock and I wasn't too happy about that, no, but it's in the confines of the fence of the new factory. That's good news. It did take 6 months, probably due to me using Google Translate on all the documents being in Vietnamese, but let's not go into it. Hull 2, work is currently underway on Hull 2. What's going to be happening is, because we're trying to get the weight down, Hull 2 is going to be finished first with the internal fit out, and it's going to be placed in the water and we're going to see how it is. And then work is going to progress on to my boat. So I'm not sure of the timetable yet, but it's probably going to be a month or two. So that's the way it's been presented to me. Again, sorry for the delay, but finally we might have some progress.
I noticed that you are going back to port in the near future. I was wondering if I could grab a lift back with you.
I would love to help, but I have a sore finger.
What has that to do with your journey? You are still going, right?
You don't understand, it is a very sore finger, so I cannot help you. Ooh la la.
Are you sailing back to port? Can I grab a lift with you?
Yes, I would love to help. Let's go.
What happened to your sore finger?
I am a quick healer.
So we can all go, right?
Interesting theory, but no.
Okay, we're going through the tack. I should be actually doing the sails, but oh, there we go. Now you know what to do? Doing good, doing good. That's it. All right, first tack. All right. Okay, aim a little bit left, because we're now in the wind shadow of that island. That was my fault, people. I was sidetracked. I don't know why I was sidetracked. It just happened. I'm only human. So are the sails full?
Yep, those sails are very, very full.
Okay, what do you notice about that sail?
Yep, it is a triangle indeed. Top stuff, well done.
Slowly. Trying to see it. Because I'm too short.
Well, hop up on the seat and you can just steer with one hand. Really lean over. Yeah, grab onto the... That's it. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see it perfectly. So now I'm going the right way, the wrong way. Really wrong.
Doing great.
Now we're on the
You're
right track.
spot on.
Spot on indeed.
She's doing a great job there, people. the sailing's good as well.
Safety fourth, people. I've got to check on the captain to make sure she's okay. I can't help it if I am very thorough. I believe in a very thorough check. Very thorough indeed.
I know what you're thinking, people. I like to help people out. I'm selfless. I don't know, it's just the way I was brought up. Thank you, Mum. I'm that type of person. Not wanting anything in giving. We're almost there. Doing a great job. She needed a taxi ride. And, you know, I like to help all people. All people. Don't bring up the story where it was that old guy who had no teeth and he needed a taxi ride. I couldn't actually take him that day because I had a sore finger. But I don't have a sore finger today, so I'm happy to take the beautiful Catalina to the taxi. Don't read into it, people. It's about giving. There's the coral patch. We're just going to go around it and in. I have all confidence in the new skipper.
I think I can do.
The main's going to drop, so we go a little bit longer, head into wind. It's not the right angle to sail in here today, people. The channel's like 35 meters wide.
People probably think we're crazy.
We can't.
Ones from the other boats, they just seen us doing turns.
That second boat, or the first boat. Quick, 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 turn. Turn, 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 turn. Oh, it's cutting it close. Look at that, people. Jesus. That was my fault. All right. Whoa, here we go. All right, keep it on course. Are you good? Can you see the channel?
I can see the channel, but we're gonna crash with
The boat will be right.
Ho-ho! I know you'd like to see the shenanigans that we get up to right now, but it's now time for spearfishing. But just to give you a glimpse of what may arise over the next few weeks, here is a sample. And here is a better sample. So not only is this dog snapper a little stupid, but we have a large grouper sharing the same cave. And of course, the same dog snapper really wants to die. And then another large grouper comes into view. Too big for my dinner, so I make no attempt. I usually give stupid fish a second chance, but that was ridiculous.